Good morning everybody. I think it's the 14th of August 2019. I think it's the 14th. It's oh God, I can't see. It's 9 o'clock ish. And we had a park up in a lay-by last night, and we have found this. We're 6 miles from Newquay, and we all know how beautiful Newquay is, but this is probably just as good. It reminds me a little bit of Stroll Beach, which I well remember. Lifeguard there, look. Mine metal detectorist and a lifeguard post. But that's a beautiful house up there. I really like that one. Odd, and that one up there. So yeah, fairly decent night's sleep. To say it was next to a B road and a little bit busy. After 10 o'clock it wasn't too bad, but yeah, I mean, as I say, 6 miles from Newquay. I called it Tintagel and Boscastle, 2 places that I recall quite well from quite a few years ago, but it was fit to bursting. You couldn't park up, you couldn't, even the car parks were full. I've never seen so many people on a beach, small beaches. They were beautiful little coves like this, but they were chock bang full, so we just kept on driving, unfortunately. Probably would have been better to visit them on a day like this. I've no doubt at all that come, 10 or 11 o'clock, this will start getting packed too. But yeah, squinting as usual first thing in the morning because the light is too strong for my eyes. But there you go. Look rough, I know, but anyway, we'll have a walk to the beach.